Hey, what is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. You are using MIUI device and you got a lot of bloatware. You want to uninstall it, and how you can uninstall it in just a single click. A new tool coming around, and all the thanks, all credits goes to its developer, and this is just one of the great ones. Right now I debloated my device. I'm gonna shift it out how you can do that. For this process you need PC, so let's just find out the things which you need to do. Okay, so here what you need to do is, we are on our PC screen, so make sure you're also on your PC screen. You need a dedicated laptop or PC, whatever you have, because if you don't have that, then the process will not work for you. By the way, we have another method, but that requires a custom recovery. So if you don't have custom recovery, you haven't rooted your device, then this process will work for you, which I'm gonna talk about there. So this is the file you need, which is called platform tools. This is the first thing, and link to download this is already in the description. You need to extract this. It's better to extract in the downloads or simple folder, or it's better to just place it here, or maybe you can place it on desktop also. And you will see this folder, and in this folder you need to download this. In this folder you need to place one file which is called no root windows MIUI debloat. As you can see, this is the file which you need, and the file link is also in the description. You will see this whole zip file link, and here what you need to do is, you will simply just one click and you will be able to debloat your device. But for that you need to connect your device. As you can see, I have connected my device already. I have connected my device. You also need to connect your device. You can check out your device. If your device is properly connected, you need to write ADB devices and just click on enter. If your device is authorized and your device is properly connected with your PC, then you will see sorry for this, my device was not connected properly. So you need to connect your device. You need to install ADB drivers. If you don't have ADB drivers, install them first. If you have ADB drivers, then you're good to go. Type the command once again. I have already installed ADB drivers, and if I click right now, click on enter ADB devices, and then I click on enter, then it will show me some pop-up on my device which I will not be able to show you. You need to click on allow, and if you click on allow, then your device will be shown in this command prompt. As you can see, my device is now showing as here Redmi Note 9 Pro. If I click here, as you can see, it's now showing here. My device is now showing. And now what you need to do is, as my device is connected properly, I can simply exit this command and I can simply run here, which means I need to double click and it will automatically do this. And as you can see, success, which means it is automatically debloating my device. All the apps which are not required on my device are already uninstalling, and I don't need any kind of root, any kind of extra things. A very simple thing, one click and you are good to go. If you're also having some issues like this, failure, which means the apps which this module or this tool will uninstall from your device are not included in your device. This is why, but that's not a big thing. The major things which are not required on your device, also it will remove all the ads on your device. So this is quite important. If all these things are gone, if everything is success, you are good to go. You can simply exit the tool and you can check your device. Even you don't need to reboot or whatever else, your device is now debloated, or basically you can say super clean MIUI is here. So very simple things. So these are things I just want to let you know. Then you can go and check out your device. Your device will not have all those bloatware, and you can simply remove that. By the way, I am not able to show you because I have installed the customer once again. So this is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.